Major developments in the convention center controversy Target 12 has been tracking for weeks. Two top aides to House Speaker Nick Mattiello testified today before a grand jury.
And a key figure in the case talked to us moments after appearing before the secret proceeding.
I can answer all their questions truthfully and honestly, and I saw no wrongdoing with this matter.
Frank Montanaro, one of at least two who testified today as the grand jury looks into whether or not the speaker retaliated against the convention center to help his friend.
Target 12 investigator Walt Buteau was at Kent County District Court and is here now with the details.
Some 3 hours of questions behind closed doors today as a statewide grand jury faced two of the speaker's most powerful allies. Frank Montanaro Jr., the executive director of the Joint Committee on Legislative Services, testified for about an hour.
I can't tell you what the questions that they talked about. What I can tell you is I answered the grand jury all their questions.
As Target 12 first reported last month, House Speaker Nicholas Mattiello spoke with a convention center board member in December about a personnel matter involving the speaker's friend James Demers, a retired state trooper who is the facility's director of security. Within days of that conversation, the now polarizing convention center performance audit was ordered through Montanaro's JCLS. Any regrets on the way the audit was ordered?
I have no response to that question. I do my job. I'm the executive director to the JCLS, and I take my job seriously. It was a request. I honor all requests from the chairman as well as other members of the JCLS committee.
All in favor?
Aye. Last month, within hours of the convention center board voting against complying with the audit on allegations it was ordered illegally, Mattiello canceled it. But the Cranston Democrat has repeatedly denied any wrongdoing, a point echoed by Montanaro today.
From the beginning, I have not seen any wrongdoing.
Mattiello Chief of Staff Leo Skenyon, who testified for about 2 hours today, was brief afterwards, telling us he did not plead the fifth.
I answered all their questions to the best of my ability, but I can't talk anymore about it.
Convention Center accountant Beth Johnson was also spotted going into the office suite where the grand jury meets, but her attorney declined to comment. The House spokesperson tells Target 12 both Montanaro and Skenyon obtained their own legal counsel, used personal days to testify, and were not on state time. On WPRI.com, Governor Gina Raimondo levels some sharply worded criticism at Speaker Mattiello. With the Target 12 investigators, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.